Welcome back. So, we are in the second unit of the paper Environmental Education. So, in this lecture, we shall deal with the impact of industry, mining, transport on environment. How environment is being influenced by the industrialization. So here we have the positive impact of industrialization in the low cost of production, self-sufficient, in providing employment to the unemployed youth, improving the agricultural facilities, defense and security. These are all the positive impact of the industrialization. And coming to the negative impact of the industrialization, mechanized, heavy and large-scale industries have negative impact which adversely affect the environment, society and economy of our country. So this mechanization has been the reason for decline of the cottage industry, has influenced for the mass migration from the rural areas, and it is the cause for the depletion of the natural resources, and it is solely responsible for pollution. It is the reason for the increase of war-like situation. And coming to the ill effects of the industrialization, metallic contaminants like CD, Zn, He, etc. destroy bacteria and beneficial for the microorganisms in the soil. Industrial wastes, toxins enter into the food chain, causes a number of undesirable effects to living beings and animals. Industrial effluent damages the natural and biological purification mechanism. Even the radioactive industrial pollutants cause undesirable disease. Coming to the impact of mining on environment, the environmental impact of mining includes erosion, formation of sinkholes, loss of biodiversity, contamination of the soil, groundwater and surface water by chemicals from mining processes. Besides creating environmental damage, the contamination resulting from leakage of chemicals also affect the health of the local population. Erosion of the exposed hillsides, mine dumps, tailings, dams and resultant siltation of drainages, creeks, and rivers can significantly impact the surrounding areas. Mining of minerals being an environmentally unfriendly activity has attracted the attention from the standpoint of environmental impacts and their mitigation. Mining affects all the components of the environment, and the impacts of permanent or temporary, beneficial or harmful, repairable or irreparable, and reversible or irreversible. So, this will impact the society and displacement of the people, loss of the livelihood, changes in the population dynamics, and the overall human race is being affected by the mining. And coming to the impact of transportation or transport on environment. The growth of speedy transportation is man's greatest achievement in minimizing distances, but at the same time it has also become a cause of environmental degradation. Concern over the environmental consequences and the transport development is long-standing. The environmental implications of transport development have become very widely recognized with a plethora of local, national, and international, when governmental and non-governmental organizations contributing to the debate by producing their own policy prescriptions and agendas for action. In considering the relationship between transport and the environment, we are immediately confronted with a potential paradox. There are 5 major environmental impacts of the transport development. The first one is energy consumption in transport and environmental pollution. The second one is the air pollution. The third one is the noise pollution. The fourth one is the land consumption and the landscape damage. And the fifth and final one, ecological degradation. So these are all the ill effects of the transportation on the environment. So we should be aware of the damage being caused to the environment, and we must protect the environment for the future generations. Here we come to the end of the second unit in the paper Environmental